Hello my lovelies and welcome back to the heart of my home. 'Tis the season to be fresh and wild. Autumn has arrived and I'm going to show you how to create a delicious, refreshing salad called Kucumbar salad. It supports the digestive system, it's tasty and really will serve your well-being throughout this season. If you like this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe so you're notified of my autumnal recipes as I launch them. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you enjoyed about this recipe. The ingredients for Kucumbar salad are a red onion, lemon. So lemon is ideal for this season. I've got half a cucumber, which I'm going to dice. I'm going to add some celery to this recipe. I have some parsley here, but you can also add coriander if you have that available. A little bit of mint. I've diced up some onions and also some fresh tomatoes. And to this recipe, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar with mother because now's the season to introduce this ingredient into our recipes. And a little bit of salt. On the whole, all of these ingredients actually support the gut flora throughout autumn. Let me show you how to put these ingredients together. And really you can have this as a side accompaniment to any dish during autumn. Sprinkle some pomegranates on it. Done.
G'day viewers and welcome back. Todd the Taste Tester here. Now G has rolled out what she calls the Kucumbar salad. Now, I've never heard of a cucumber salad before, let alone tasted one, so this is a completely new experience for me. Now, she's got the apple cider vinegar running through it as well, so let's see how this goes. Got the pomegranates, tomatoes, cucumber. Ooh, that is lovely. I love how the apple cider works beautifully through the cucumbers. This is Todd the Taste Tester, loving the salads. I'm sure you will too.